So I got my 42-inch right there and my 52-inch right there with me. And the back of my truck right there, I got my string trimmer, my edger, my blower, and my fuel. All right, so I hope you enjoy the ride.
AllCoastLawncare.
All right, here we are. We're at the first customer right now. Let me show you what we're gonna mow. Let me just give you a real quick view of what we're gonna do. There's a front yard, and there's a ditch over there in the front. There's no edging, there's no driveway really. There's the side of the house. And we got the backyard over here. Only had that little passageway to edge. That's the only edging I'll be doing. The rest will be mowing and street trimming around those trees and around the house and around those trees over there. All right, I'll get back to you when I'm done mowing and string trimming and edging. All right, I just got done servicing the first lawn, just mowing, edging, and string trimming. The ditch was kind of full of water, so I couldn't really get in the middle of the ditch. I just got on the side of the ditch though, but she's very understandable about that. There's a faithful customer. We had her going on 4 years now. She's faithful and paying on time also, and she's a very nice lady. She's not really able to get up right now that much, so we just shoot her a text. I used to knock on her door, let her know I'm here, but we just shoot her a text before, hey, I'm on my way, and we just mow the lawn, and when we're done, we leave. I did check up on her one time. I told my wife to give her a call, see if she's okay, if she needs anything, like while I'm in town. Hey y'all, like when you have customers like this, y'all, they take care of you. They take care of your business. So it's good to give back by taking care of them too, asking if they need any assistance. Anyway, y'all, I'm back to the next lawn. All right, we're at the next house, right over there. Let me give you a real quick tour. All right, so that's the front yard. Got some water right there. I'm gotta stay away from that. This is the side of the house. Here's the back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and edge it, mow it, string trim it, and I'll get back to you right when I'm done. All right, just got done edging, mowing. Now edging and mowing. Now I'm about to string trim it. All right, finished with this yard. We edged, mowed, and string trimmed, then blew off the debris with the blower. That's what I do. That's the order I do: edge, mow, and string trim. So we're off to the next house. All right, we're at our third house, front and back, edge, mow, and string trim. Give you a real quick tour. Front yard and the backyard. All right, so this yard, the customer's not here. So what I usually do, I take before and after pictures and I send them to her, via her email, and she'll pay online. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this yard started. It's getting hot out. All right, I'm done. I'm off to the fourth house. So I did the before and after pictures so I could show her, email them to her because she's not home. But that was the agreement when she reached out to me to do before and after pictures. I have no problem with that. It's like it's taking care of her house. I also let her know if there's any like unusual, like any cars parked or any if her gate was open, I'll let her know that too. All right, man, it's getting hot out here. Make sure you hydrate. Hey, actually, people die out here, y'all. When it's real hot, they're not taking care of themselves. They're not used to the sun. They overheat and they get shade. They think they're good. They get back up and they'll collapse. It's happened, y'all. So even in lawn care. So hey, just make sure you hydrate. All right, see you at the next yard. All right, we just quoted another property. So this is going to be added to today. All right, I'll just refer to this person right here. Somebody couldn't maintain their yard, so they gave me the yard. So I just came by and gave it a quote already. So this will be added onto our what do you call it, our customers today. All right, just got done. Off to the next house. So I quoted this yard 60 bucks. She's one at the front and the back, and the front of the ditch done. So it was just like very bumpy back there in the backyard. So I had to like do a lot of string trimming. So that's the house right there. That was 60 bucks front and back. That's what I quoted. So I don't know about y'all though, but like what's your flat rate? You know what I mean? Is it no matter what? Is it 50 bucks, $60, $40, $35? Even though if it's like a townhome, do you stick with that flat rate? All right. So hey, now leave a comment. All right. Let us know what your flat rate is. What do you start off at? All right. See you at the next house. All right. Here we are at the next home to service. Here we are at the next yard. Let me show you real quick. Front, the side of the house. There's the back. All right, I'm gonna go begin mowing. I'm looking at bringing 2 mowers because I use the little one for small gates, but the big one, the 52-inch, the baffle got kind of like bent a little bit, and the blade was hitting it, so I had to stop using it. So I'm using the 42 for right now. Bad thing about the 42 is it doesn't have that that seat, that air seat, so it's like kind of bouncing hard right now. Anyway, let me go and get this yard done. I'll get back to you after when I'm done. All right, I just got done. It got cloudy. It's starting to sprinkle out here. I'm gonna go to the outer yard. Hopefully this drizzle and the weather just goes away. So I'll see you at the next yard. All right, I just got done giving a quote right now to somebody. So I gave them my quote, but it turned out they lived on a corner, and sidewalk on the corner wasn't being maintained. And so I told her to maintain it's going to be additional $100, you know, just because it was about 6 inches coming up from the ground, and it was a good maybe like about, I want to say maybe like, oh, I got my ruler with me. It was a good distance of edging, you know what I'm saying? So, so she's cool with it. She's cool with the quote, the $70 every 2 weeks. It's just the additional. They're gonna get back with me and see if they're gonna want to go along with the $100 to edge that part of the their sidewalk. But other than that, I told them I could fit them on the schedule tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. They seem like a very nice couple. Other than that, I'm here at another yard. The lady wants the yard like mowed like every week, but I told her like, well, I just mowed it last week. I said, well, let's see how the yard looks right now. You know, I mean, let's see what needs to be mowed. So I'm over right now. This is the yard. The front yard don't gotta be mowed. So let's go check out the backyard. This is the backyard right here. So yeah, the backyard needs to be mowed. So we're gonna go and service the yard right now. There it is right there. Mow, edge, and string trim. All right, just got done with this yard. On to the next yard. All right, I'm at the other house right here. Already edged it. Forgot to let y'all know that I'm over here. So let me go and finish this. All right, I just got done doing another quote. Somebody came by and asked me if I could give them a quote on their yard, and I'm just leaving their house right now. They thought the quote was too high, but I stuck to my guns. They're trying to you know, like get me down on the quote. So hey, just remember, you know, you set the quote. All right, they don't run their business, you run your business. So you quote how you feel, you know, what the price is. Okay, so just remember that. All right, you run your own business. Don't let nobody quote for you. All right, so let me go and I gotta do one more quote today. Somebody reached out to our business phone, and they want to get a quote on their house. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm home now. I just did that quote. I sent the quote out to the person that was inquiring about our services. Let's see if she replies back. Other than that, I'm done. It's a little bit late. I didn't think I was gonna be out this late though, but I was out giving quotes. That's why. So hey, that's good though. All right. Other than that, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cover my equipment with that tarp right there. They said, "Oh, rain doesn't hurt the mower. It's all right." Yeah, you know what? I like to cover my stuff though, just protect it from the elements. All right, so I'm gonna do some maintenance on my 52 inch. Had to use it in the middle of the day. One of the baffles got rolled loose and it was hitting the blade was hitting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm just gonna take the baffles off. All right, so I don't have to worry about that tomorrow. All right, y'all. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me throughout the day on this video. Hope you liked it, enjoyed it. Other than that, hit like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.